Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best food processors in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best food processors that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the Zyliss Easy Pull Food Chopper and Manual Food Processor. No electricity is needed for this model, as it works with the simple pull of a handle. The two blades spin in opposite directions, so they'll spend their time chopping rather than moving food in a circle, while stationary arms at the top and bottom send food into the blades. Even hard foods like carrots or nuts require little effort. A few pulls will give you chunky nuts or salsa, while more pulls can give you a smooth puree. The bowl is just over 3 cups, so you can make plenty of hummus for a party, or seasoned bread crumbs for breaded cutlets for dinner. Since this doesn't require power, you can use it outside when you're barbecuing, or take it camping. Moving on at number 4. We have the Ninja Mega Kitchen System Blender. This versatile combo is a favorite among reviewers with varied chopping and blending needs, like one who says, "I love my Ninja." This speeds up prep time in the kitchen so much, and it is incredibly powerful. I wanted to make homemade frozen yogurt with frozen fruit and almond milk yogurt, and this does the job magnificently. Smoothies, soups, sauces, doughs, salsas, vegan cheesecake, vegan cheese, shredded chicken. I've made a ton in it already and have only had it for 2 weeks. Customers also praise its power, saying things like, "It is very powerful." At number 3, we have the Oster Pro 1200 Plus Food Processor. This 2-in-1 appliance is both a food processor and a blender. Just switch from blender jar to food processor bowl, and back again. It also includes a smoothie cup, making it even more versatile. You can choose from 7 speeds, along with one-touch operation for salsas, smoothies, and milkshakes, and it includes a pulse function for precise control when you're making chunky salsas or chopping nuts. The blender jar is made from glass and holds 6 cups while the food processor bowl is 5 cups. The food processor includes a reversible slicing and shredding blade as well as a chopping blade. At number 2, we have the Hamilton Beach 10-cup food processor with bowl scraper. This budget food processor will fit your budget and your kitchen. It's not the largest processor you'll find, but the 10-cup bowl is large enough for prepping family dinners, and it's easy to empty if you need to shred multiple batches for your famous coleslaw. This food processor has 2 speeds plus a pulse option, so your salsa will be as smooth or chunky as you like it, while the bowl scraper can be used while the processor is running or off, so you clean the sides of the bowl without needing to remove the lid. The latter feature proved to be a game-changer when making basil pesto, which our tester said came out perfectly blended and creamy. The processor includes a reversible shredding, slicing disc and a stainless steel blade for chopping, blending, pureeing, and more. When you're done prepping dinner, the work bowl, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup is easy. And finally at number 1. We have the Cuisinart DFP14BCNY 14-cup food processor. A true kitchen workhorse, this doesn't have a lot of fancy frills, but it will get the job done easily. This has 2 large paddle buttons, one for on and one for off pulse, and that's all you need for the machine to perform all of its functions. This has a 14-cup work bowl that's large enough for family cooking and an extra large feed tube, so you won't need to cut foods like potatoes to make them fit. It has small and large pushers, so you can process the potato in one piece, or stand carrots up so they won't fall over while you slice or shred. This includes one shredding disc, one slicing disc, and a removable disc stem that fits both of them, along with a metal blade for chopping, mixing, blending, and emulsifying. And when it came to kneading, our reviewer found that the swift-acting blade turned dough elastic in a matter of minutes with minimal effort. If you want a little color in your kitchen, this comes in a variety of colors to match your kitchen or your mood. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.